Good morning everyone, myself Muralidhara Reddy. In this video we are going to discussing about M command. Let's see the demo. What is M? M is nothing but LO updater modifier. Using this M command you can install the packages in Amazon Linux, CentOS, Red Hat. Remember this M command, it will support CentOS, Red Hat, Amazon Linux and also Fedora. Okay, for Ubuntu we have a different package. Okay, M is a package manager also. Okay, using this M command you will be install the particular packages. Okay, let's see how you can install. Example, I have logged into the server. I want to install Git. I want to install Git. How to install Git? Using M command. M install. Install means it will be install the package. Then you have to give the package name. Package name is Git. Okay, then enter. If you give M install Git, first it will gather the Git related information. If you observe here, all the information is gathered. Okay, and also if you observe here, installing Git, for installing it we have a multiple dependencies. Dependencies also it is installing. Okay, here it is asking SDN. Y means yes, D means download, N means no. If I give yes, what will happen? The particular Git will be installed. If you give the D means just it will be download, it won't be installed. If you give N, it means it won't be installed. Okay, got it right? It won't be installed means it will be cancelled. For example, I am giving now Y. Y means it will be installed. If you observe here, all the packages are installing. Okay, now if you observe here, install the Git and also dependencies also installed. How do we verify whether install or not? Git --- version. Okay, if you observe here, it is installed. Okay, got it right? How do we install Git? Find it. Next one. I'm going to install another package, that is HTTPD package. Yum install HTTPD. If you observe here, if I give the HTTPD, it will gathering all the HTTP information and also dependencies. But here is asking yes or no option. I don't want to enter here yes or no option. Single command I want to give yes option and automatically install without asking here SDN option. Currently I'm giving N means it will be cancelled. Okay, it will be cancelled. Now what I'm going to do here, yum install HTTPD-y. Yum install HTTPD-y. It means here we are giving -y, right? It means it will be act as a yes. Earlier it was asking yes, D and right, yes or no option, and D is just download. But when you give the in command line, if you give the -y, it means yes. It will automatically install. It won't be asked yes or no option again. Currently I'm giving yes. Okay, if you observe here, it is installed. It is not asked anywhere the particular yes or no option because we have given that option in command. We have given -y is nothing but yes. Okay, got it right? Any question? Now I want to remove the package. How can remove? Yum remove. Okay, example, I'm removing Git. If you see yum remove, if you want to remove the package in your from this particular server, you will be use remove command, and this is the package. Just enter. If you observe here, it is asking yes or no. If you give the yes, it means it will be removed. If you observe here, removing, it will be removed. Okay. If I give N, what will happen? It will be cancelled. Okay, instead of giving yes or no option, I want to give directly. You can give -y. Here, yum remove Git -y. -y means it won't be asked yes or no option. It will automatically delete that particular package, remove the particular package. Okay, if you observe here, remove dependencies also. Okay, along with the main package, dependencies also it is removed. I hope understand it. How to remove the package. Got it right? Next one, I want to check the updates. For example, in this particular server having multiple packages, the updates came. Example, in Windows, we have a, if you go to here, check updates, you can able to know, right, whether it is updates came or not. Check for updates. Here you can see if any updates is came, here it will be show, just click that particular install or download, it will be install it, right? But when it comes to the Linux, we have a command using M command, yum check -update. When you use the check -update, it will be check is there any updates came. Currently it is kernel x86-64, new update is came. Okay, new update is came. If you want to update this particular package, Just you have to give yum update, then you have to give the package name. Okay, na? If you give here, it will ask yes or no option. If you give yes, it will be install this latest version. Currently, I am giving here y. Y means it is downloading and it will be installed. Got it right? If you want to update specific package, you will be give yum update the particular package name. In case if you want to update all the packages, before going to again, I'm checking yum check updates. Currently, it won't be displayed because it is already updated, right? It is already updated. That is the reason you can't see anything. Okay. Now, if you want to update all, if you give the yum update, what will happen? For example, you have a multiple updates came this particular server. Okay, all the updates will be happen. Instead of updating single, it will update all. But currently, we don't have any new updates. That is the reason it is showing no packages marked for update. I hope understand, right? Any question? No, right? Next one is if you want to list out what are the packages is installed, you can use mlist command. Using mlist command, you can able to know what are the packages available in your server, install packages. Okay. If you observe here, we have a lot of install. Now I'm checking only, I'm grep pipeline symbol, grep, I'm checking only HTTP, whether it is installed or not. Sometimes some use cases you have installed, but you have to verify whether it is installed or not. You can verify mlist and then grep command HTTP. If you observe here, we have installed HTTP, right? It should be there. If you observe here, it will be there. Got it, right? Grep command, you can grep that particular package. Fine. Next one, if you want to see the information about package, how you can see? Yum info. For example, I want to see the Git information. Git is a package. This particular package information I want to see. How you can see? Yum info Git. If you observe here, it is displayed all the Git related information. What is the version? Okay, what is the archive path x86-64? Okay, what is the name of that particular package? Okay, the total size, everything will be displayed when you use the yum info Git command. I hope understand that. Any questions? One is if you want to search the particular package, how you can search? Yum search. Yeah, yum search, and I'm searching example. I'm searching Git. If you give here, currently we don't have any Git. That is the reason it is not able to showcase here. Okay, yum. Please use user bin yum. Okay. Example HTTPD. Sorry, HTTPD. Okay, it is not working. You have to use this one instead of directly yum and give that search yum. No, it is not working. Okay, you can leave it. Not an issue about this one. Okay, if you want to search, you can use yum search that particular package name. Okay, and if you want to see the history of that particular yum, how can use yum history? If you use this history command, what will happen? It will be display all the whatever you run, right? You have run install and also you have used the erase means it is deleted, and also you use the install and update also, right? All the commands will be displayed here when you use the yum history command. Yum history command. And if you want to see the version of this particular yum, you can use yum version. Using the same version, you can able to know what is the version of that particular yum. If you observe here, we have x86-64. This is the version. It is displaying group install yum. Okay, got it right? Any question here? And sometimes might be you will get doubt. For me, I know that these commands, but you are not aware what are the commands is available this particular yum. If you want to know, you can use yum -help. Remember, not only this command, any command, if you are not aware what are the sub commands will be there, you can use m-help. If you use m-help, you can verify here what are the commands will be there. See, we use check-update. We have a downgrade if you want to downgrade the particular package. Okay, if you want to see the information, if you want to see the history, if you want to install also, we saw that. Okay, there are a lot of commands will be there. Majorly, frequently will be used whatever I covered. Okay, frequently we will be use it. In case, see here, we have a search option also. If you want to search particular package details. Okay, got it right? And one more thing, if you want to remove, example, I'm removing yum install HTTPD. if you want to remove that HTTP with after any particular package name, if you give the star, any packages, it will start with HTTP, all packages will be deleted if you give the star. Some of the use cases might be required this star also, you will be given. For example, I'm giving here, if you observe here, it is deleting all the packages. Okay, if you observe here, HTTP deleted and also dependencies also deleted because we have given star. Okay, got it? This is a very important. Frequently we will be use M command. Without knowing M, there is no use. Even though you have all the commands in Linux, if you are not aware of M command, there is no use. Okay, we frequently will be used. And remember, this M command will be support Amazon Linux, CentOS, Red Hat, Fedora. It won't be support Ubuntu because Ubuntu having different command. Okay, got it right? Any questions? If you have any questions, feel free to comment. And one more thing, in real time, don't do the M update. The reason is, sometimes you have deployed one application this particular server. Okay, in the particular server you have deployed the particular server having the particular application, it is supporting JDK 1.8. But for example, if you have updated this server, what will happen? Might be it will be installed OpenJDK 11 or OpenJDK 17. Might be that particular application won't be support the particular Java version. So be careful. Not only Java version, some of the use cases might be it will broke your application. So be careful when you are doing the M update. Okay, if you use M update, all the update, whatever is came the update, whatever packages came for updates, all the packages will be updated. Might be it will be impact for your application. Be careful. Okay, got it right? Any question? No, right? Okay. Thanks for watching this video. We will see you next video.